One of the things that I always say is that if you are not going to use social media for marketing, then you need to at least be using social media for customer service. And using social media for customer service can be an effective way to provide support and to build a strong relationship with your customers. By responding to customers' inquiries in a timely manner and proactively addressing their complaints and providing helpful resources and information, then you can show your customers that you care about them and care about providing them with the best possible experience. One of the key advantages of using social media for customer service is that it allows you to communicate with your customers in real time. This means that you can quickly respond to any kind of inquiries, resolve any issues before they escalate. And additionally, some social media platforms, social media platform allows you to respond to customers publicly, which can help you build trust and transparency. You know, if they send you or they post a comment, you can respond publicly so that everybody can see, which helps with your transparency. To provide effective customer service on social media, however, it is important that you either have a dedicated team or a person responsible for monitoring and responding to customer inquiries. This can be your community manager. That person or that team, whoever it is, need to be equipped with the tools and resources to handle a wide range of inquiries and questions and issues that your customers might have. Additionally, it is important to have a clear and consistent tone of voice on social media. This will help to create a positive brand image and to build trust with your customer. Another effective way to use social media for customer service is by creating a social media community. This could be a close group, whether it's a group on Facebook. It can be a forum where, you know, people can ask questions and where you can really connect in a more intimate way with your community. People can be able to build that sense of community and loyalty to your brand, and really you just see loyalty being built among your customers, which also provides you with valuable insights about your product and your services. So ultimately, social media, when used for customer service, can help you to build a strong relationship with your customers and to provide them with the support that they need to improve the overall experience that they have with your brand. So I will end by saying the same thing I said at the beginning. If you are not going to use social media for marketing, at least you should be using social media for customer service.